Hi Libra, this is your November monthly reading. I'm going to look at your energies and see what's coming to you. This is for the sun sign, that's zodiac sign of Libra, and the rising sign of Libra. And it we will stick to these two categories because the monthly readings are long term readings based on planetary situations. So the planetary situation goes with one fixed energy. So in terms of your first thing that I have seen in this reading, I have taken out all the cards and I have also clarified. So basically there is a tower. The first thing that came for you was the tower reverse. So the tower is in reverse position and the death is in reverse position. So this means that something in your life which was disastrous, which was going to change everything, which was going to end everything, will be narrowly escaped or avoided in this time period. So this does not mean death all the time. This means some great shake-up, some transfer, some reorganization, some big change which you were expecting. This family situation where someone was almost ready to step out of the family, a disastrous challenge, obstacle which was ready to destroy you, you will be able to avoid this energy, narrowly escape this energy of heartbreak. Your heart will be broken, though your heart will be broken, but with the energies of stand your ground, you will be standing your ground. You will be like a warrior in this time period. Your foundations and achievements will help you in this time period. Your stability will help you and your authority will help you. So you are going to avoid a disaster, a big change, a change that could have impacted you and your family, your thinking, your next situations. But on the other side, when the tower is hovering around you and the death is hovering around you, meaning a big change has to happen, sometimes you delay it, sometimes you try not to see it. So angels are also telling you that it will eventually happen. So you got to fix this situation. So in terms of health, this can mean that some of you are going through bad health or someone around you is going through bad health. They could be Scorpio energy, they could be this energy, very volatile energy around you. So your environment is however showing the Queen of Swords. So the Queen of Swords is your energy. You will be very stoic, you will be stoic, intelligent, logical, trying to keep your boundaries, trying to be restrictive in your life and other people's life, putting everybody in some kind of a controlled situation. But with the Two of Wands, the Lord of Dominion is here. So the Lord of Dominion means that you can expand, you can prospect, you can look out for more. If someone is unwell in your family, you can, if some verdict has been given, you can look for more options in this time period. So some of you are feeling totally lost in this time period with the 10 of Pentacles in reverse. So there can be slumps in your income, slumps in your shares, but not everything has been lost. Angels are asking you to deal with this. There could be family feud, family financial feud. People could be asking for their money or their portion in this time period, but you want to hold on to what is dear to you. With the Four of Pentacles, you will be able to get by as well. So the Hangman energy is here. So the Hangman is delaying energy. Hangman is not doing anything energy. Sometimes being in the Hangman position helps you to buy time. So there is a possibility that some of you will be sacrificing some decisions, sacrificing or buying some time in this time period, because financial and material changes are happening, obstacles and challenges are on your path. So if it is a love situation, what angels are telling you is to, if it is ready to, someone is ready to depart, someone is ready to leave, someone is giving you those signals, the best thing is to keep quiet, not do anything, so that you buy some time in this time period. You are blocked with energy. So what are the blocks? The first one is you give too much to people. So you are depleted because you give too much. You need balance in give and take. If you are giving too much, there is a six of pentacles card in your personal situation. So someone else is becoming richer and richer because of what you are giving. So there is, there has to be equal give and take, but you are not so interested with the four of cups. Many fours are here. You want to keep a kind of balance by not taking. You want to keep a balance by being disconnected. You want to mix or blend your pleasures. You don't want to, you want to dilute every energy. So you are wanting to be fair always, but who is fair with you? That's what angels are asking. So there could be untrue stories around you. So you tell yourself bad things or other people tell you those. Change your stories and see the good that can happen to you, or shut your ears to bad, negative thinking and negative energies around you. You feel like you are losing yourself, so you feel lost in your partner, or you are doing too much for them. It's okay to be yourself and have your own life too. So some of you need to dilute, moderate these energies, like you become someone else, because that someone else is totally, like a parasite sponging off your energy. So be careful how much you are giving to others, because others can create havoc in your life. So the temperance and the wheel of fortune is here with you. Some changes are destined. These changes could be happening around you, and you need to, deal with this with negotiating capacities. You have to flex, your muscles in this time period in a very, very cautious manner. You have to reconcile. You have to stop yourself from over giving others. You have to stop yourself from being over friendly. You have to stop yourself from interfering in other people's life, or your you need to heal your energy. So healing, moderation in your capacity to listen to people, your capacity to eat, drink, live your life in a certain manner, doing work in this time period, overdoing work, or being totally oppressed by other people's demands. So the wheel of fortune is ever changing. Time does not remain the same, but you need to slow down. That is what you are being told, Libra. And don't be in this disconnected energy, or you feel like an automaton. So bring in a balance in your personal relationship. Work on yourself, look at what you need in this time period. So sacrificing some of the involvements in life is required in this changing energies, and don't shut out the crumbling forces, because they are around you. If someone is ready to depart, let them depart. If someone is wanting to not take your help, or someone is wanting to not get involved, or you want to get out of that circumstance, please do that. That's what angels are saying. Don't pretend. in terms of your work, there is a king of pentacles. You could be having shared finances with this person, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you could be in a very stable work situation. You are someone who attracts good fortune. Okay, with the 10 of cups, you have some goals and you want happiness for everyone. You want to buy that, you want to do good for others, you want to successfully reach your dreams, you want to be in that situation where everything, every wish of everyone is fulfilled. So angels are saying there is 5 of wands, there are obstacles and challenges, there is a lot of strife around you. So this could be your near and dear ones creating problems for you. So you could be sometimes not, it's impacting your money making capacity also, or your pocket. So with the chariot card, angels are asking you to focus on your profession, focus on your work, focus on keeping your money safe, and keeping your goals intact. And if you have certain goals in your mind, you will be able to achieve victory over circumstances. That is what angels are saying in the month of November. So there could be a victory and success coming to you, victory and success, and also reward and recognition in this time period coming to you. People will start supporting you when you ask for support. People will support you when you assert yourself. So be clear about how much you are giving, how much you are taking. Delegate your work and success will come to you. You will be overcoming some difficult situations in this time period and material changes in this time period. So choices have to be very, very clear. So your final energy, your outcome in this time period is the death and the tower. Now death and the tower is in upright position, so it will happen, the ending will happen, the crumbling, the disruption is coming and it will come. But this sudden change, this transition is going to bring the Ace of Pentacles. So Ace of Pentacles is some kind of stability coming, a new situation is developing for you. You got to accept that new things have to come in, so you got to accept the change. There is going to be a transition, there is going to be a disruption, you got to accept that. So there is a possibility that pleasant changes will ultimately happen. Do not try to control everything in this time period. Let some things happen according to how it is destined, and you have to be moderate about your control. You have to be moderate about pulling your energy as well. You can't just keep giving, you can't just be involved in everything all the time. So in terms of your fortune, what's coming in is love. You will be getting love in this time period. So love surrounds all your connections. Move forward positively in all areas of your life. So first of all, love yourself and then spread your love. Unity at a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. So 2 love cards have come for you. The owl card has come for you. So this tells you that there are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transition. So this period of transition is happening and spiritual messages will be coming to you, awakening you, putting you towards your goal. However, you need to sacrifice some of your involvement, some of your control, some of your authority over things, and try to relinquish that. Take it gradually out of your life and surrender to God in this time period. So the Lenormand card in this time period is the 16 number card, the stars card for you. It is saying good business numbers, encouraging results. Think positive and optimism will halve your problem. The your feelings are affected in this month, so you will find the right strategy, and constantly you will be getting effective in invitations, gifts and pleasant memories will be shared with loved ones. Luck will be shining, and you have to take a break at this time. You will attain excellent results in terms of your money, but something is will be very exhausting, but you will be able to close on a deal in terms of work. Unexpected change of environment or relocation can take place. Situation will open up new perspectives for you. That's what this disruption is. You are trying to avoid it, but it is going to happen by the end of this month, and the month's energies will make you accept that complete success will be found. A sudden stroke of luck will take you even higher. Be assured of that. You are going to carry lucrative transactions. A win, inheritance, or investment will look up for you in this time. In terms of feelings, you will meet a special person who will capture your heart. Invitation, sign of interest from persons you are interested in. The person you think about will give you encouraging signal. So finally, your patience will be rewarded. A love story can unfold in terms of love. So this is a very good reading, very good month. It is full of turbulence, but ultimately success will be found, and that's what angels are telling you, Libra. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. You can also book a reading with me if you want a personal reading. My email id is in the description box, but these are paid readings. Keep watching this channel is free. I keep posting for you, and many of the readings will resonate with you. Keep watching this Tarot Priestess 1313 for more readings in future. Bye bye.